Hi, in this video I will show you how to install the add-in solver for both Microsoft Excel and for Google Sheets. First, for the Microsoft Excel, you go to File, Options, Add-ins, choose Solver Add-in, click OK or Go, tick off the box Solver Add-in, OK. Now go to Data tab here and the solver function should be here. For Google Sheets, you go here on add-ons, get add-ons, search for solver, click here, and you have to choose your Google account, and then you have to click allow, and then you will be back here on this screen, and the solver function should be here. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.